Good morning, everyone. My name is Corey Lawrence, and I am going to teach everyone how to play Jenga for my Human Resource Management Midterm Project today. The reason I chose the game Jenga was because as a child, me and my family used to always play it as a fun activity. Alright, first off, I'm going to start out with the object of the game. Why do people play Jenga? Basically, Jenga is a game of physical and mental skill. It's built on the simple premise of stacking blocks. It can engage players of all ages and across all cultures. Jenga's success rests on its solid play value and strategic moves. Players take turns to remove a block from a tower and then balance it on top, creating a taller and increasingly unstable structure as the game progresses. Alright, let's go into some facts about the game here. Leslie Scott, the game designer and author, developed the original Jenga from a woodblock stacking game her family had created in Ghana in the 1970s. It was introduced to the public at the famous Harrods department store in London in 1982. Jenga was launched in North America in 1986. It has since become an international game icon. The record for the highest known Jenga tower is 40 complete stories with 2 blocks into the 41st level. And this was claimed in 1985 by Robert Grebler. Today we are actively seeking a new world solo height champion. Classic game consists of 54 position crafted, specially finished hardwood blocks, as I have set up here. To set up the game, use the included loading tray to create the initial tower, which I already have used. Stack all of the blocks in levels of 3 placed next to each other along their sides and at a right-hand angle to the previous level. Once the tower is built, the person who stacked the tower plays first. Alright, let's learn how to play now. The first person clearly takes 1 block from any level, except the top level, of course. And you must only use 1 hand. That is a key rule in the game. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate one move here for us. Using 1 hand, I am going to take out the middle of the second level, very carefully, of course. And then, of course, I continue the tower on top. As you can see, I only use 1 hand because that's one of the main objects of the game. Okay. Players are able to tap a block to see if it's loose, of course, as so. Well, I see that one wasn't too loose, so I'm not going to take that one next. Any blocks moved but not played should be replaced, unless doing so would make the tower fall, of course. You don't have to end the game if clearly you didn't want to make that move. The turn also ends when the next player touches the tower, or there's a 10-second rule for each turn for each player. The game ends when the tower falls completely, or if any blocks fall from the tower completely. I'm going to show you a fun way, of course, to lose. Don't ever do this while playing. This is just for a little bit of giggles in the video. This is one way to lose. As you can see, nobody would clearly do that because there's no strategic value in that at all. But I just wanted to add a little fun part in there for you guys. Alright, and of course, the loser is the person who made the tower fall. In that sense, I would be the loser. So, therefore, that is the end to my project and my video. If anyone has any questions, comments, or concerns, I can field those now. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.